Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our amazing content. Today, we're talking about the VEVOR Compost Spreader Peat Moss Spreader. This incredible tool is your ideal lawn helper, making spreading compost and essential nutrients for your lawn, flowers, plants, and garden easier than ever before. With its large 24-barrel, this spreader is perfect for spreading various fertilizer materials such as compost, peat moss, manure, and topsoil. It's friendly to even beginners, so you don't have to worry about any complicated setup or operation. Any of the best features of this spreader is its robust and durable design. Made of powder-coated steel, it's rust-proof and corrosion-proof, ensuring long-lasting use. The 24 steel basket makes spreading your needed soil quick, efficient, and labor-saving. You'll also love the upgraded side latches on this spreader. Designed to keep you in constant control while spreading compost, the unique design ensures the basket remains closed during tipping and tumbling operations, making it neat and durable. Adjusting the handle height is a breeze, with two adjustable heights of 24.4 and 26.4, ensuring comfortable use for different people. It's easy to adjust the height by screwing out the bolt, so you can customize it to your specific needs. Whether you're working on slopes or uneven surfaces, this spreader runs smoothly and efficiently, making it perfect for spreading top dressings like compost, manure, dirt, and peat moss. Say goodbye to wobbling and hello to a healthier and lush lawn or garden. So, if you're ready to take your gardening game to the next level, be sure to check out the VEVOR Compost Spreader Peat Moss Spreader. You can find the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible tool that will transform the way you care for your lawn and garden. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.